Welcome to the Master Barber Shop by Grandmaster Paul McGann. What we're doing here is at a nice low skin fade on this customer. Nice full head of hair on him. Brought it around and left it nice and heavy on the top. I was showing you yesterday, I got a message from a nice guy yesterday and he asked me to show you once more how to fade in his line with the cut throat. I'm going to show you that now in 1 second. There's your line with your cut throat. Just gently have your cut throat on its side and just pick away at that line and it'll get rid of it. Some people are struggling to get rid of that line on the bottom of their skin fade. Very, very easy. If you gently pick away with a corner of your cut throat like a paintbrush, you'll get rid of that line. A few more tips to come from the Master Barber Shop from Grandmaster Paul McGann. See you later. Thank you very much.